In today's video, we'll discuss how to use cashback on your credit card. Watch until the end to learn more about redeeming your cashback rewards effectively. Cashback allows you to accumulate rewards with each purchase, and you can redeem them as cash. To start redeeming your cashback, go to the Cards or Rewards section on your card issuer's website or app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the redemption process. Alternatively, you can call the number on the back of your card and speak to a customer care representative who will guide you through the redemption. Once you've redeemed your cashback, you can choose how to receive it. Most issuers offer several options, including checks, gift cards, statement credits, or bank transfers. Here's how to use each option for checks and bank deposits. Some issuers disburse cashbacks as checks or direct deposits, offering more flexibility. You can use this money to make purchases or transfer it into a savings or investment account. For statement credits, other issuers will apply your reward directly to your credit card account, which reduces your balance and helps keep your debt low. For gift cards, some issuers offer the reward in the form of gift cards. However, this method often provides less value per reward point and limits how you can use your rewards, making it the least effective way to use your cashback. There you have it, an easy guide to using the cashback on your credit card. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.